This is Australian white ibis. Sacred ibis bird prefers wetlands, lakes, rivers, and marshy areas. But Australian white ibis has adapted to urban environments. This bird is recognizable by its white body with black head, neck, and legs, along with its distinctive long, curved beak. The sacred ibis is indigenous to sub-Saharan Africa, Madagascar, and parts of the Middle East. This bird is carnivorous and opportunistic feeders. Sacred ibis typically eats small aquatic animals like frogs, fish, crustaceans, and insects. They are also known to consume small reptiles, bird eggs, and scavenging for food, including human scraps. The sacred ibis is a versatile and adaptive bird. This bird can adapt to various environments, allows it to thrive around the world.